let's go with the overview. Monthly budget planner and tracker. So ito po yung template natin. Sorry na sa mga numbers kasi nadagdag na. So walkthrough lang to. Mabilis ang walkthrough para may idea kung kayo kung saang part lang pwede nyong magalaw at saka hindi pwedeng galawin. Okay? So first of all, dito na part. Itong first part. Huwag niyong gagalawin yan, okay? Month, income, dito, total na yan. Fixed expenses, variable expenses, debt, savings. Huwag niyong gagalawin yung mga numbers yan. Dito lang kayo sa part. Monthly budget planner, title, left to spend, then left to spend meaning income minus the actual deduction, variable expenses, tracker lang yun, graph, savings as well, budget deductions, huwag niyong galawin, actual deductions, variance. Huwag niyong galawin. Dito tayo, let's go with fixed expenses. Fixed expenses is monthly bill, electricity, water, internet, and gas. Okay, let's check. Kunyari, lagay niyo dito, 500, bill niyo. 450 yung budget, pero binayaran 500, negative. Magpupula kasi magpa sa budget. Water, yung 200 lang. Sorry. Let's say, 200 lang. So, kita nyo nagbago. And then, ito na yung mga actual amount na nabawas mo sa budget mo. Tapos dito, fixed expenses, 700. Okay? Magdagdag lang kayo dyan kasi nakatotal naman dyan. All in all. Variable expenses, for me, grocery, transportation, allowance, online shop, which is, you can adjust this, but the actual amount is hindi pwedeng dito. Hindi kayo pwedeng mag-adjust kasi dito nyo yan ilalagay sa breakdowns. Kita, breakdowns, online shop, and then let's say 6 of September ang binili damit. Saan? Shopee. Hindi ko tama pa. Let's say magkano? 300. 527 plus 300. Automatic na yan dito sa ditong part 8 to 87. Online shop budget minus actual equals variance. Okay, let's go with the transportation. 06 September. Bahay to work and vice versa. Bahay to work, vice versa. 116 for me. For me lang yun na. So, automatic na yun rin dito. Transpo. Yan. So, dito rin, allowance 06 September. Isal. 20, 70 plus 30 plus 20, automatic na yan dito, 120, right? Same as will be the grocery, ulam, rice, nag-pure gold, or nag-mall, nagyat. Basta pang grocery dito. Itong sa allowance dito yung luho na part, okay? Luho, kahit ano, out of the grocery na budget. Savings tracker, mamaya na yung savings tracker. So, with the debt overview, lagay nyo kung anong utang nyo, CC, credit card, budget, amount. Okay? And then, automatic na yan dito lahat. Total na. Income, first paycheck, second paycheck. Lagay nyo lang dyan, automatic na yan. And dito sa taas, yan. Okay? So, second is savings overview. Savings nyo dyan. And then, the unexpected expenses. Savings tracker, let's go with the savings tracker. For me lang to ha. I'm setting aside for trip to Siargao. Target amount 25. Completion date 30th of September. Savings trap 15,000 na yung hulog ko. Kulang pa ako ng 9,000. Ito lang. Lagay ko lang dito yung transaction ko. Kunyari, date and then magkano hulog. Same as well with the debt tracker. Parehas lang din yan. I'm paying for something, amount owed, start date ng pagbabayad, number, if meron, if wala, NA, huwag nyo yung galawin yung payment rep and then what's left. Because dito na yan, date and then magkano hulog, okay? Monthly overview as well. So, August, yan lang. Fill out nyo lang yan. Pwede dito na part. Okay na yan. Diretso mo na yan. Dito pwede nyo lang edit yan. Month, ganyan lang. Okay? I hope na mag-guide kayo ng video na ito on how to use the tracker. And then if may katanungan, just message me on my page. Okay? Have a great day.